For many homeowners in Middleton, indoor comfort means more than just staying warm in the winter or cool in the summer. Allergens and dust are a constant challenge, especially in homes with older or poorly sealed windows. If you or your family struggle with allergies, asthma, or frequent indoor air quality issues, upgrading your windows can make a noticeable difference. Modern window technology does more than boost energy efficiency. It also plays a critical role in reducing allergens and dust, creating a healthier, more comfortable home environment. Why old windows contribute to allergens and dust? Older windows are often culprits when it comes to poor indoor air quality. Over time, frames can warp, seals may deteriorate, and gaps can form around the edges. These flaws allow pollen, outdoor dust, and other particles to slip inside, creating a breeding ground for allergens. Some common issues with outdated windows include drafts and gaps. Tiny openings allow outdoor pollutants to enter freely. Condensation buildup. Moisture accumulation encourages mold and mildew growth. Dust infiltration. Inefficient seals let fine particles settle on furniture and floors. For Middleton residents, where seasonal changes often bring shifts in pollen levels and air quality, these problems are especially noticeable. Modern window features that help reduce allergens. Newer windows are designed with advanced materials and technology to prevent allergens and dust from infiltrating your home. Tight seals and weather stripping. Modern designs create a barrier that keeps out pollen, dust, and outdoor pollutants. Double or triple pane glass. Insulated layers reduce the flow of outside air into your home. Advanced frame materials. Vinyl, fiberglass, and treated wood resist warping, ensuring long-lasting airtight performance. Proper ventilation options. Features like tilt and sashes allow you to clean windows easily, reducing dust buildup inside your home. These upgrades directly improve indoor air quality by keeping outdoor contaminants where they belong, outside. Benefits for allergy and asthma sufferers. For families in Middleton, reducing allergens inside the home can greatly improve day-to-day living, especially for those with respiratory sensitivities. Fewer allergy triggers. New windows limit pollen, mold spores, and outdoor dust from entering. Improved sleep quality. Cleaner air reduces congestion and nighttime discomfort. Less frequent cleaning. With less dust entering the home, you'll spend less time dusting and vacuuming. Year-round relief. From spring pollen season to dry, dusty winters, modern windows provide consistent protection. By addressing allergens at their source, window replacement offers peace of mind as well as comfort. The importance of professional installation. Even the most advanced windows won't reduce allergens effectively if they aren't installed properly. Gaps, poor sealing, or misalignment during installation can still allow dust and pollen to sneak in. That's why it's essential to work with local Middleton professionals who understand the community's climate and seasonal allergen challenges. Use precision installation techniques to ensure airtight seals. Offer warranties and follow-up support for long-term peace of mind. Professional installation ensures your new windows perform as intended, protecting your family and your home. A healthier home environment. In addition to blocking outdoor allergens, new windows can help reduce indoor triggers. Low-E coatings filter UV rays that contribute to heat and humidity buildup, creating conditions where dust mites and mold thrive. Combined with improved insulation, this helps maintain a more stable indoor environment with less opportunity for allergens to spread. Final thoughts for Middleton homeowners. Investing in modern windows isn't just about energy savings or aesthetics, it's about creating a healthier home. By reducing allergens and dust infiltration, new windows help protect your family's comfort and well-being throughout the year. Whether you're dealing with seasonal pollen, persistent dust, or allergy-related concerns, upgrading your windows can be one of the most effective ways to improve your indoor air quality. With the right design and professional installation, your Middleton home can become a cleaner, healthier, and more enjoyable place to live.